So hi guys, welcome back for a new episode of Tales of Monkey Island. Just the 7th episode. So yeah, at the altar I'm my girlfriend L.O.T.S.N Grande, something like that. But anyway, today I want to say first about the 15 episode season of South Park. So I'm gonna enjoy this American shit later. Yeah, and about 2 pence, but you don't care anyway. Just want to say that cause I enjoy this show. Anyway, let's check this map. Why are you dancing? Okay, because that was used. Oh, it made something, I guess. Okay, anyway, I want to check the map. So first, at the altar, to the beast, to the monkey, to the wind, to the wheel, to the shit, to the beast, to the wind, to the calendar. This is so complicated. Why? Because fuck you, that's why. I guess we should go there first.
Dang.
Nope. Oh, it's gonna be like the other one. Oh my god. I want to kill myself already. Cause it's gonna be very long to figure out what to do exactly.
So far, so good.
Okay. Oh. What's the next? What's the next spot? Where the wind blows?
Are those drawings supposed to represent the wind?
Yep. And the blimp supposed to go. Oh. Now I understand why I have that. So I'm going there. Yep. Right after I think. Oh, it's like a checkpoint, I guess. Maybe. I don't know. Let's see what to do next. I have a real bad
This looks
memory,
promising.
so and the win again? Yeah, why not? Could be greater the apple, the win.
Interesting.
This side, okay. No choice.
Oh, dang.
What?
This looks promising.
No shit. It wasn't a checkpoint, finally. It was just kind of ritual. Well, that's great. Now I know how to use the flowers. Yeah, okay. So after the B, sorry again for my memory. So I did it, I followed the wind, I followed the B, follow the wind again. Whoop, make 2 of calendar. Oh, I'm fucking near.
I see.
Yeah, I see. You see? I don't see, but I see you. Cause you see, and I'm playing you. I have no choice to see.
far, so good.
I made it. Now I need to follow the wind. And I'll find where
Looks
to
like
go.
the wind gods of Flotsam are pointing that way.
Yep, it's pointing there. But it's the creepy shack. I made it.
Whoa. Uh-oh. Someone's coming.
Who's coming? A monkey? A Jara?
I never thought I'd have to come out here again. But it'll be worth a temporary fluctuation in Flotsam's winds to get my hands on Sweetwood's hand. Anthony's hand. How troll.
What was that all about? And what's behind that door?
What, the doctor? Okay, the game saved, now I'm lucky.
Maybe I can move the door by pushing on this giant crystal nose. Nope. That oyster shell looks so empty without a pearl.
Yeah. Maybe if I use that...
That's not made of unbreakable glass.
Okay.
I don't think that a U-tube would be useful there.
Yeah, I try, bro. I try.
What kind of cheesy ancient civilization worships manatees?
What? Can I just climb the rock and... Don't know.
That'd make a lousy perch.
Yeah. Don't know what to do.
I don't need to see that manatee vision.
Manatee vision with manatee, baby.
I don't need to see that manatee vision.
Yeah, if you say. Maybe if I'm going to see the doctor, maybe I'll know what to do. Okay, so I'm there. I'm not even there. I think this is gonna be a pretty long story. Yeah, I was supposed to be back there.
Sail!
He looks different.
I'm back.
Aye, so you are.
How's the glass blowing biz?
Arr, you'd be in serious trouble, Sonny. Some thieving scoundrel stole me one-of-a-kind bottle breaker.
No
Devil, you
way!
say?
Well, without me bottle breaker, I can't break open me unbreakable bottles. And if I can't break them open, who's gonna want to buy them? I'm ruined.
You could always go back to pirating.
Are you soft in the head? What kind of blankety-blank pirate would I be without a ship? Or winds? Or eyebrows?
I don't know, man. Eyebrows. Oh,
I'll
okay.
let you return to your fancy schmancy glass blowing.
Aye, and I'll let you return to being a pest.
I'm gonna talk to the dog, cause he got like the stick I need.
Dr. DeSinge?
That's the Marquis de Singe to you, ruffian.
Are you sure you don't know anything about Flotsam's winds?
What are you insinuating?
It occurs to me that the weird winds around here have been pretty good to you, giving you a steady supply of patience and all.
I have no idea what you're talking about.
Oh, you sure? I'm gonna accuse him right
Come
now.
on, confess. You're the guy behind all
You're
these
the guy
freaky wins,
all these
aren't you?
freaky wins, aren't you?
What an outrageous accusation! Do you have any proof?
I can't prove it.
I thought not. Good day, sir. I said good day.
No. I'm not leaving.
Dr. DeSinge?
That's the Marquis de Singe to you, ruffian.
Ah. Okay.
Bye.
Au revoir. For now.
No, au revoir. For now. Maybe if I got something.
Dr. DeSinge?
That's the Marquis de Singe to you, ruffian.
Okay, no.
Bye.
Nothing for you.
Au revoir. For now.
For now.
I don't need to see that in manatee vision.
Okay. Maybe something more over there. Nothing. Just a seagull. Seagull, yes, seagull. You fly, you white, you shit on people. Seagull, why you so seagull? I don't get why seagull or
Three
seagull.
vowels! Get him while they're vowels!
I want your vowels. I already have the YouTube and I don't even know what to do with.
Hey there.
Maybe he got something more to say. I like his voice. Oh no.
So long.
Yeah, whatever.
Maybe if I excuse myself. Yeah. I'm gonna be
Hey there.
honest with him. Really, seriously, I'm gonna be honest.
What do you want now?
I feel kinda sad for him.
Why aren't you in Club 41, curled up with your grog?
The two-diamond cannon cloggers kicked me out.
Why?
The club has a strict no feet, no service clause.
Talk
What?
about adding insult to injury.
No fee.
I figured out your scroll.
Well, whoopee for you. What did you find?
A big statue
door.
that looks like someone playing a musical salamander.
Be what those danged merfolks use to control the winds.
Merfolk?
You mentioned merfolk?
Aye, merfolk. Before DeSange cut off my leg, I discovered that Flotsam Island was colonized by a hidden race of merfolk called the Vacalians, who'd grown tired of living under the sea and wanted to try living on land for a while.
Okay.
Yeah.
That's
It
great.
didn't take. After a few hundred years, they went back to the oceans. Bunch of flibbertigibbets, if you ask me.
Anything else you can tell me about those indecisive merfolk?
The Vacalians? Well, they had 1,000 different words for wind, but none for man or woman.
Exotic. So long.
So now I know some
Yeah,
merfolks
whatever.
exist. Can I enter the courthouse now?
I guess court isn't in session today. Which is probably a good thing, considering all the laws I'll be breaking.
Nah. It's a great thing.
Whoever built this jail really wanted to put the bird in brig. Those
Pretty
eye
sure it would
carvings
be
are
useful.
creepy.
Pretty sure. Maybe if I enter there.
It's locked.
No, nothing to me. I'm pretty sure the club want me to get it, go in again. It sucks. I want to party with my seagull people.
bet this thing would be really impressive if I knew what the heck all these inscriptions meant.
I don't know what they meant.
Yeah, nothing. And I'm starting to get cuts on my hands. What's this thing made of, anyway?
Anyway, don't know. Okay, so I don't know, maybe I'm retarded or something, but I don't really know what to do. And I search a lot and I'm hungry again and tired and I really won't enjoy this American shit. So yeah, I'm gonna find out what to do next episode. So hope you enjoyed, like and fave, also sub, find more people sub to me and share this video also. It will be really appreciated. So anyway, have a nice day or night or afternoon or evening or morning, something like that, okay? Have a nice moment. Yes, yeah, yes. Okay, sorry. Okay.